Hi and welcome to DoorsSystem version 2. With the new update, I have updated many DoorsSystem, many things and information that you can do with your door. Also, there's a new things updated. So let's start with the doors. We have the normal door when it's closed and you cannot open at all. Now we have the normal door, which is easy to open, just press E. The one sliding door, this will open to the left side, from left to right. And we have the sliding door, it's auto open and close, we can see. Also we have the sliding door open to left. From that side, it's more complicated, but it's good for your game. We have this door that it needs a key. You see, you need the office key to open, and you can pick the key and of course use it to open the door, and it's unlocked. We have also the normal door that it's closed from front and you have to open it from the other side. So I have to go from the back, so I'm able to unlock the door. And now with this update, we have the closed with password. So here we have this door, it's closed. I can't open it at all. I need the code here. So I can see I put it for you. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's easy to change. So I press E and have this numpad. I can enter the correct password. If it's wrong, nothing will happen. It will clear. And if I enter the new code, the correct one, we will see it's unlocked. You will have a sound effect telling you that it's open, and now it's easy to open. Also, we have the door, double door system. I have updated with the access because it have an issue before. Also, double sliding door with interaction. Of course, it's easy to apply it to be auto. And also we have a new, the simple window. I can just press E to open the window. And as before, I have the giant door that you have to press a button to open, like this. So as you can see, you have many system of the doors, and it's all very easy to change. So let's take in mind the first one here. If I go to this door and I back to setting, I can see that I have this door information. I can set it to be locked with passcode, and I can set it to be locked or unlocked. When I press this one, see the icon will change automatic, depends on your selection. Needs a key. Of course, if you need to set a key, the key, you will put the name of the key here. This is the message that will come when you interact with the door. Locked from other side. Let's see if I choose it. You see it's open from here and closed from the other side. You can flip it by click locked side A or B. It's easy to change. Sliding door, if you need the door to be sliding. Slide access to change. Let's see here. If I change it, I will have this arrow telling me where it will slide to, and I can flip the side from here. Also, auto open, if you need the door to be auto open. The interaction key that will come in your message. Here you can put the sound when the door is open or closed, or the slide door sound. Also, you have the unlock sound. So you can change many things here. Here you can change the slide, the maximum. If you need more than 100, you can change it from here. Also, if you need to reverse the open side. The max rotation is telling you how much degree you need to open the door. So I set it for 90 degree for you. And the time it's need till it's fully opened. Here you can change the 3D model of your door with your own model, or the door frame. You can apply some changes for the transform from here. So it's as easy as it is. With the new passcode, after setting your door to be using the passcode here, you have to apply this to add your blueprint of password, and from here you have to pick the door and you put the password here. as easy as it is. So that's it. I hope you like this system. Please tell me down your feedback about this and what you need for the next update. Thank you so much.